So now we're going to go on a little bit of a tour of Ann Spalter's website. So this is the front page. You go here, you click on her name, please work, and you see all of her artwork, and you can explore on the side tab. See all her different types of work. So we're going to take a look at sculptures because I think this is so cool what she does. So you can see all her artwork follows kind of the same theme. So let's look at this one, Calypso Blues, Miami Marbles. You can see how it kind of is like a projection onto the floor. So from, like, if you look at the bottom, if you tried to like imagine the sphere in the air and look at the bottom, if you try to imagine the bottom part of the sphere, the bottom part is being reflected onto the floor, so you see an entire different viewpoint of the sculpture. And it's such a cool, innovative way to look at a piece of art, so it's not just one piece, but that it has so many different layers and so many different ways to look at something. So we're gonna look at, let's go back, look at another piece, and they all have that same feel. They all look like a sculpture. They all are projections onto something else to have different viewpoints. And let's look at color windows, because this one is a little bit different. And you can't, I don't know if you can see it as clear, but right here there's like these little like glass windows just stuck in the middle of the woods. So I'm trying to show you with my mouse all these different glass color windows, and when you look at it, let's look at this picture right here. When you look through the window at the tree, it kind of almost looks blue, and you don't really see the green in the tree, and it's all playing with different types of color schemes and looking at things from a different viewpoint. So let's look at some prints over here. There's different types of work that she does. It's all, again, related to her knowledge and her work with different colors and visual literacy that she obtained in her education. This one looks pretty cool, Magic Potion. Let's take a look at that. Again, it's like you're walking into the picture almost. There's so many different levels. It's not just a picture of something, but that it has so many different dimensions, and that if you stare and focus on like the dot in the middle and then it opens up, it's so cool. There's so many different layers to it, so many different ways you can look at it, not just from the picture on the back, but also how it's reflected on this glass floor almost. It's like you're walking into, and you're going to fall off the edge into the picture, into a spiraling like vortex. So it's just a few examples of Ann Spalter. I could go on forever and ever and ever, but that would take so long. So this is her, the vision, the legend. Hope you enjoy looking at some of her works, and see you next time.